Hello everyone, Christina say hi to you from Boston, Massachusetts. Today is Monday, June 8th, 2026. Welcome to Coffee Time with ChristinaMelodyGroup Affiliate and Capital Connector Celebration Day begins. What if today is the day everything accelerates? The day your lay opens, your growth compounds, and your next 100 unit plus of market multifamily deal becomes inevitable. Hello everyone. Most people wait for momentum, but the top 1% create it. Today's celebration day is not about a title, it's about alignment, velocity, and step into a lane where unlimited growth is the baseline, not the goal. Inside this ecosystem, everything is built for acceleration, sourcing that doesn't stall, underwriting that doesn't break, capital alignment that doesn't hesitate, an hour of market multifamily deal flow that moves at institutional speed. When you enter the 997 lane, the next 30 days are engineered for one outcome. You rise into the top 1% of affiliates and capital connectors nationally. You step into room where 100 unit plus 500 unit plus 1,500 unit plus multifamily deals are normal. You operate with clarity, precision, and CEO level execution because growth isn't random. Growth is engineered. And today is the day the engineering begins. You are aligned with today's celebration day and ready for your next 30-day enjoy. Reply 997 and step in your lane. Velocity, alignment, institutional execution. You want to learn more about our off-market multifamily deal flow ecosystem, powered by advanced AI technology. AI service you inside. You're welcome to join Coffee Time with ChristinaMelodyGroup Session 36. Session 36 will be held on June 15th, 2026 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern, online on Zoom. The theme will be Raising Capital with